Do you ever think that Google has overcharged you, or was there any scenario in your life when you think or when you thought that Google has much charged you much more than your allocated CPC budget? Then you have to watch this video, because in this video I got a similar query like yours. So let's get started. Read the query first, and then I'm going to answer on it. So the query is, I'm running a manual CPC campaign, and on one of my keywords, the maximum bid is set to 1.90 pounds. However, the cost for the click is 3.80 pounds. How is this possible? Should the cost for the click not go above 1.90 pounds? Okay, I have seen scenarios, where people have been complaining regarding their daily budget exceeding. For instance, some people have said that our daily campaign budget is 20 pounds, and we have seen and we were very surprised to see it on 30 or 40. For the daily budget increasing, there is a Google standard rule that Google may increase your daily spending, but it will not increase over a period of 30 days. So, for instance, if your daily budget is 20 pounds, it's not going to increase 600 pounds a month. So, based on your 30 days spending. So now regarding the CPC, is it the same story or is it different? I'm going to tell you. Now, there could be some scenarios where is why you have to pay much more than your allocated budget, and you may be surprised on number one aspect, because you are running a manual CPC campaign. And for instance, if we go into the campaign, for instance, this is the settings of the Google Ads campaign account. I'm going to show you. Now in the bidding strategy, if I move on to if I move to select a bidding strategy, and let's say if I go onto manual CPC. Okay, what happens, some people go with manual CPC. For instance, I'm doing it, but what happens is, with manual CPC is, just a second, let me show you over here, is that some people has their enhanced strategy been which is enabled. Now what happens with the enhanced strategy is, the bill may exceed. I'm going to reverse it, so I just wanted to show you. Okay, so with enhanced CPC, the Google may think that your budget may go high, but if the Google thinks that the lead is going to convert, then the Google may allocate much more budget than your allocated budget. So do not turn your enhanced CPC, and I'm going to shift it back, because I do not want my client to piss on this. Okay, now the other scenario where this could be, happens is, another mistake, which people is doing it, which is why their CPC gets increased, and that is device bidding. For instance, if I have to move on to over here, and I can search for device bidding. Okay, what happens is device bidding is, usually there is an auto recommendation. Okay, mobile phone, computer, sometimes people are doing a bid adjustment and increase by 100 or 200%. With 100% increase, it happens is their CPC bid for mobile phone visitor automatically doubles than your allocated budget if you have selected or increasing on 100%. So check for your device bidding in case if there is something being done over here, and this could be a reason as well. Number third aspect is, and is to keep an eye on notifications, because sometimes there is a notification or auto recommendation given by the Google which automatically suggests you to increase your budgets, and in case if you do not do anything, it is being automatically applied, and you may get a surprise with it that your spending has been increased, because Google notifications are mostly regarding recommending into increase more budget, so that you and Google can earn more. So the Google system is basically designed on spending more money by advertisers. So which is why once in a while they may be suggesting you something, and you may have ignored it, and it's a Google standard policy that in case if you do not take any action of either accepting or rejecting it, it will be automatically applied. So there could be a possibility that the Google recommendation is automatically applied, and which is why some things have been changed on your Google account. So another thing now to undo is look for change history and see what actions were being taken. Simply undo it by going into your change history account, and you can see even the last actions being applied on the account. I have just selected the change history. Wait a while so it can load it, and you can get a fresh idea of what a change history is like. So you can see over here the changes being done by user. You can simply undo over here. So just this could be another reason as well. So I hope I tried it to answer all of the reasons, which is why you have been charged much more then your allocated budget for each keyword. So in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit, setup or management of your Google Ads account, or in case if you need help with Google Business Profile or Google Merchant Center or Google Ads District Profile or even landing page services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye. And we look forward to working with you.